Quick update. Now we have the fresh soil installed. Hey, how you doing? I had my earplugs in. Had in my earplugs. All right. Fresh soil installed. Talking to the neighbor. We redid his yard. This is what's gonna make the lawn so super green. This is what does it. The spray companies will try to add nutrient with their spraying treatments, but really you have to have the foundation. That's why you gotta call the pro. This is also the side yard. No corners are cut. We're just doing the front here. Stay tuned. Side is there. And here is the after. Front yard reside. With soil replacement. St. Augustine grass, Floratam. This will be a really nice lawn for years to come. Just need to water it twice a day and it will be happy. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe for more landscaping before and after videos. Till next time. Peace.